Welcome to the Kamado Joe Fundamentals series. We'll teach you the principles for great grilling and great flavor. Fire is the most important ingredient in Kamado cooking, and it's made from just 3 elements: oxygen, heat, and fuel. Learn how to control them, and you'll know how to control your fire. Make sure you start with good fuel. After all, that's where your flavor comes from. So only use premium hardwood lump charcoal like Kamado Joe Big Block. And don't try to speed things up with combustible liquids like starter fluid. It's a fire hazard that will damage your grill and give your food a bad taste. The big takeaway here? The flavor you put in will come out on your plate. So you got your fuel. Now you need good airflow for a good fire. Think of the vents like a volume dial for your fire. Air moves in through the bottom vent and out through the top vent. If you need to raise the temperature, open the vents to increase airflow and turn up the heat. Same principle applies if you want to lower it. Close them and decrease airflow. Remember, more air equals more heat. Less air equals less heat. As you're learning to master the fire, here's an easy rule of thumb. Control from the top down. The Kamado Joe can reach temperatures up to 900 degrees, but the optimal heat range is 225 to 750 degrees. The best way to reach and maintain your target temp is to set the bottom vent and adjust the top vent, the control tower. If you're working to hit temperatures between 225 and 600, you can adjust with the front slider. For temps 600 or higher, you'll need to rotate the control tower open to give your grill additional airflow. Finally, give the fire time. Because the Kamado Joe is designed to retain heat so well, it takes a little time to absorb it. After lighting the charcoal, give the Kamado Joe 20 to 40 minutes to stabilize the temp before starting your cook. And while you're working toward your target, raise the temperature slowly. Since the grill holds heat, it's easier to increase the temp slightly than bring it down after overshooting your target. Remember, good fire starts with good airflow.